Hi guys, EBP Man here with Tabs for Me. And today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the latest car charger available from Showtech. This car charger supports Qualcomm 2.0 fast charging technology. Let's take a look. Now inside the box you're going to have an instruction card, a warranty card, a very generous micro USB charging cable, which you don't really see often included with your car charger. And then you have the car charger itself. Now taking a closer look at the charger itself, it's a dual port charger, one a standard charging port, which we'll look at the specs in a couple seconds, and then you have this one that's highlighted with this blue light around, or this blue line, which is going to be your quick charger. Now the quick charger is important for those of you who have any phone that supports the Qualcomm charging technology. Now the Qualcomm charging technology is going to speed up the rate that your phone will charge up to 75%. Phones like the Samsung Galaxy S6 series, the Edge and the non-Edge version support this, as well as the Note 5 also, or Note 4, I'm sorry, in this case supports it, and I'm sure the Note 5 and some of the future phones will, as well as some Motorola devices, also Nexus devices are starting to support this technology. So check with your phone to see if it supports Qualcomm 2.0 charging, because you'll get that rapid charging feature. Now here on the side, and we'll zoom in so you can see all the specs, because everybody wants to see the specs. You have two output ports, one that's going to charge up to that 2.4 amps, and then one that's going to have variable output based on, again, the device's needs. So you can see how you have variable charging rates that appear there. Now the one thing I'll just mention is that you can charge any iOS device using this car charger. It's very small, and you could charge tablets, your iPhone, your iPad, your Android devices, both quick charging and not quick charging technology with this device without worrying any damage. So what we're going to do next is going to plug it in so that we can see how it works and see how everything illuminates. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to charge two devices at the same time. We're going to be charging the iPhone 6 Plus, and we're also going to charge the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. What we're going to be looking for is, first of all, the fact that both devices charge on the specific charger, and then we're going to be looking for specifically getting the fast charging message coming from the S6. Now, as you see, the actual car charger is plugged in, and it has a very faint LED, blue LED glow. See that right there? It's actually pretty nice. I like the way that looks. So it's not really loud. It's just a nice faint one, which makes it easy at night for you to plug your cable, or to see if you're getting any power. It's not bright enough for you as you're driving in the car at night. You look illuminated and you look blue, but it's just enough to tell you where the car charger is and that it's actually working. Now I'm going to take the cable for the actual S6 that came with the actual device, and I'm going to plug it into this port. But what I'm going to do also is I'm going to actually try to focus in on the S6. So we're going to make sure I have it unlocked, and what we're going to be watching is for the menu. Make sure that it stays in focus at the very top of the screen. So you're going to be watching the top of the screen and looking for two things. First message is going to be saying that it's charging, that it's connected, and then you're going to look for a message that says quick charge. So I'm going to go ahead and plug the cable in, and now watch what comes up on the screen. It says charging, connected. I'm sure that's in focus. And then it says fast charge connected. If I bring the screen down, you'll notice right here it says fast charging, and that fast charging message is telling you that it's going to take at this rate up to 42 minutes to get a full charge. And again, that's going to be 75% faster than it would be using a normal charger. So the fast charging technology is working. If it wasn't working, you would see cable charging is what you would see there. I'm going to disconnect it, and I'm going to reconnect it again. And now what I'm doing is I connected it to the non-fast charging port. And if I bring this down, you see the message that says cable charging. Let's make sure that that's in focus. All right. And right now I have no differences. It's not telling me that there's a difference between the charging rate as far as the timing. That may be off with the phone. But believe me, and if you have an S6 or any device that has Qualcomm technology, it does charge much faster. So I don't know why I'm getting that calculation error. So I'll go back, plug it in. It's going to go from charger connected to fast charger, and then we'll go back again and you'll see that you'll get that the fast charging is taking place. Now the next thing we're going to do, and just ignore the timeline there, is we're going to put to charge an iPhone. And I'm going to plug the iPhone, and you'll see it right here. I'm going to plug it into this charging port. And what we're looking for is for the iPhone charging symbol to show up. And you can see that that's happening there. And you'll notice that I have both of them connected at the same time. This one is being fast charged, and this one is actually going through the actual standard charge that we have there. I always get this question. I'll get a question where someone will say, well, what happens if I inadvertently plug into the wrong cable? Well, if you plug into the wrong cable, you would expect nothing to happen, nothing negative to happen. So let's go ahead and try that. I already showed you how I can plug the S6 to different cables. Let's do that with the actual iPhone. So I've plugged in the iPhone to the Qualcomm quick charging port, and you notice that it's still charging. Now, you're not going to get the actual rapid charging feature here, but it will still charge. So this concludes our review of the Qiuchek Qualcomm fast charging car charger. Again, the model that has two USB ports for you to charge from. And as you can see by the demonstration, you can charge both Qualcomm fast charging devices and non-Qualcomm fast charging devices with this charger, and you're able to perceive the quality that you're getting from the actual charger itself as we're charging devices. I want to thank Qiuchek for making the actual charger available for us to review on this channel. I also want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know if there's a product that you're looking for on Amazon that you'd like to see reviewed on this channel. And I'll do my best to reach out to the supplier to get us something to look at. Thanks again for watching.